Project XCloud is amongst us, and Microsoft is pretty much just reminding us, and they're going to show us a live demo. So let's take a look.
I'm here with Kareem Chowdhury, Head of Gaming Cloud at Xbox. Welcome, Kareem, to the show. How are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks for having me here, Julia.
Well, it's really fantastic that you're here because you've got something very, very exciting to talk about. But before we kind of jump right into that, I think we should go in really easy into this and just start at the very beginning with what is Project XCloud?
What is Project XCloud?
Yeah, let's start simple.
I'm actually going to back up even further than that.
Further than that?
Further than that. I
Right.
just want to talk about content.
Okay.
Like, we all love the games that we have on our console, and we all love people getting to enjoy them in whatever way, shape, or form they want. I'm going to take you on a little journey.
Let's go.
Xbox 360 console, I played it, you played it, we loved it, we had lots of games. We had thousands of games that came out for Xbox 360.
Yeah.
But when Xbox One launched, we didn't support back compat, which was a miss on our part. So we rolled up our sleeves, we worked hard, we developed the technology, and we were able to launch back compat on Xbox One. And that was really a part of our commitment to enabling people to play the games they want on the devices they want, whenever they want. And that was really just the start of this arc that we're on. The next thing that came along was Xbox Play Anywhere, which was pretty novel at the time, right?
Yeah,
Buy a game once, you can play it on console or PC. We don't care, we just want you playing in the game. And Project XCloud is really just a continuation of that. We love the games and the content that we have, and we just want people to be able to play them in more situations. And Project XCloud is a cloud-based streaming service that will enable you to play it wherever we have a client. I want you to think about music for a second.
Okay.
Like, you don't think about what type of music you listen to when you're at home versus
Right.
when you're on the tube versus
True.
when you're driving in a car.
This is true, yeah.
Right? You listen to whatever music you want in whatever situation you want. And I believe in a future where gaming is exactly the same.
Ooh, that's exciting. So how exactly is it going to work? Is it sort of going to be working over Wi-Fi, basically? Is that kind of the crux of it?
Anywhere where you have a good network connection,
Okay.
you'll be able to participate in Project XCloud. We're taking the hardware that we built, and we detailed some of this in the video that we released last year, and we're racking it in the Azure data centers around the world, and we're going to render this experience on that hardware, the exact experience as the game creators intended it. No one's cracking the game open, no one's making any changes.
No tinkering of any kind.
No, they don't have to do any work at all, just like what we did with the back compat program. And then we're going to remote that experience to users wherever they happen to be.
So, I mean, how do you see games sort of taking advantage of this in real life, kind of? What's the picture?
Well, as a gamer, it's all about choice. Like, I love playing on my console at home, as I'm sure you do.
Yeah.
But what if you're in a different situation where you want to experience that same content? This is about giving you choice. It's not a replacement for console. We're not getting out of the console business. This is really additive to everything that we're already doing.
So would it mean, so say I'm in the middle of a game and then I'm like, I've got to go to work. Can I then just, pick up and take my game with me, like out on the road, effectively?
Of course, we already have cloud saves that work between consoles, and we're using all that same technology, the same Xbox Live infrastructure, the same Friends network, same identity, account, achievements, the same everything. It is the same experience, just translated to a different form factor.
So this all sounds amazing in theory, but really I feel like I need to see this with my own eyes to kind of fully comprehend the gravitas of this situation.
I understand. I thought you'd say that. So how about we hand you a controller and a phone right now?
Oh, snap. Can I give you that? Oh, my goodness. We've got some Forza Horizon 4 here. It looks amazing.
Yeah, this is Forza Horizon 4, running on our Project XCloud hardware in the data center, being streamed remotely to this Android phone.
So all the heavy lifting basically is done elsewhere. And it's literally, wow. This is going to completely change every commute I ever make from now on. And honestly, being on the London Underground is depressing sometimes. Sometimes I don't want to look people in the eye, and now I won't have to.
Well, I think you might attract a bit of attention if you were to play that today.
They'll be like, oh, what is this new technology? It looks incredible. I can't believe this. This is amazing.
Yeah, and you're playing on a standard Xbox One controller connected via Bluetooth to the phone. And this is the game as it plays on the console.
This is all fantastic. But realistically, when are people going to actually be able to start using this tech?
We're going to start public trials this year.
This year?
This year.
That's very exciting.
One of the things that's so important to us is that the games play as they were originally intended by the creator. I mean, these are their masterpieces, these are their experiences. So the platform that we're building, it is designed to just bring that same fantastic experience to other form factors.
And let's be honest, the guys, you know, they make Forza and they are obsessed with the details. Puddle measurers, literal puddle measurers. So for you to fully appreciate the puddles, I think they'd be really appreciative of that. Thank you so much.